Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this new video we discuss about the topic Lewis concepts of acid and bases. According to Lewis, which substance is an acid and which substance is a base is the main discussion topic in this video. It is also called electronic concept of acids and bases. Okay, the Lewis concept of acid and bases is also called the electronic concept of acid and bases. In this concept, Lewis, according to Lewis, that the substance that can accept a pair of electron is called acid. A substance that is a molecule or ion, a substance that can accept a pair of electron is called acid. Means acid is a substance, molecule or ion that can accept a pair of electron. It is called Lewis acid. For example, BF3, AlCl3. These are example of Lewis acids. Okay, so according to Lewis concept of acid and bases, a substance or molecule or ion that can accept a pair of electron is called a Lewis acid. And for this for Lewis acids we can give example of BF3 and AlCl3 etc. These are called Lewis acid. And for the case of Lewis bases, a substance, molecule or ion that can donate a pair of electron is called Lewis base. Not only base, it is called Lewis base. The substance, molecule or ion that can donate a pair of electron is called Lewis base. Okay, donate a pair of electron and form a coordinate bonding. Donate a pair of electron and form a coordinate bonding is called Lewis base. An example of Lewis base are NH3, H2O, methanol. These are called Lewis base because this substance can donate a pair of electron and form a coordinate bond. And for this reason, these substances H2O, ammonia and methanol are called Lewis bases. So according to Lewis concepts, the substance that can accept a pair of electron to form a coordinate bond is called a Lewis base, and the substance that can the substance that can accept a pair of electron is called Lewis acid, and the substance that can donate a pair of electron to form a coordinate bond is called Lewis base. So this is the main definition of Lewis acid and Lewis base. This is the definition of Lewis acid and Lewis base. And after knowing the definition of Lewis acid and Lewis base, we discuss about the types of Lewis acids and types of Lewis bases. Lewis acids can be different types. So types of Lewis acids: Lewis acids, number one is electron deficient acid, means electron deficient acids like electron deficient molecules, not acid, molecules. like BF3, AlCl3. Here the central atom is completing only 6 electron. Central aluminum or boron, central boron is completing only 6 electron, and for this reason these compounds are called electron deficient compounds, and they can easily accept 2 electron. Okay, so for this reason these are example of electron deficient molecules and act as Lewis acid. Number 2 category, ions. Some ions like Fe2 plus, H plus, these are cations, and these are ionic Lewis acid. They have the ability to accept a pair of electron, and for this reason this ionic compound, these ions are behaving as Lewis acids. Ionic form is considering as Lewis acid. And some neutral molecule like CO2. Here CO2 can accept a pair of electron in the carbon, and for this reason CO2 is considered as Lewis acid. Next one is SiF4. SiF4, where silicon has vacant d orbital. Silicon has vacant d orbital, so silicon can easily accommodate a pair of electron, and for this reason SiF4 is called a Lewis acid, and it is a type of Lewis acid. And for types of Lewis bases, some neutral molecule like NH3, H2O, these have a lone pair of electrons, and they can donate this lone pair of electron and can form a coordinate bond. Therefore these are called Lewis bases. Or the charged ion like Cl minus, OH minus. Okay, these are called Lewis bases. Because these can give 2 electron to form a coordinate bond, and for this reason this charged ion is called the Lewis bases. Okay, after that we know about the acid base reaction with Lewis concepts. Acid base reaction, suppose H plus and NH3 reacts together, it is Lewis acid, and it has a lone pair of electron, it is Lewis base. When these two react together, N is forming a coordinate bond and coordination compound is formed. So here according to Lewis, this is a Lewis acid and this is Lewis base. When these two are reacting together, a coordinate compound is formed. We see another important reaction, acid base reaction using Lewis theory. Suppose iron 2 plus reacting with 6 Cn minus ion to form Fe, Cn, 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 Cn and Cn 4 minus. This one Fe2 plus and 6 Cn minus ion are combined to form reacting, where this is Lewis acid and this is Lewis base. So acid and base react together to form this coordination complex. To form this coordination complex, acid and Lewis acid and Lewis bases, Lewis acid and Lewis base reacting together to form the complex compound. So these are some example of acid base reaction in the light of Lewis concept, and after that we discuss about the limitations of Lewis concepts. Limitations of this concept. These concepts have some limitation, that is too general, always coordinate bonding needs to form. Coordinate bonding is must for this concept, but common acids does not form coordinate bonding. So these are some limitations. Other limitations that it cannot explain the means other limitations, you can say that this theory cannot explain catalytic activity of protic acid and amphoteric nature of H2O. Catalytic activity of protic acid and amphoteric nature of H2O cannot be explained. Both cannot be explained by this theory. So these are the limitations of the Lewis acid base theory. Some limitations. So this is the topic that I want to present to you, and I am presenting this topic. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video is useful, then give a like to this video, and if you want to watch more this type of videos, then you can you can see more videos from the respective chapters in the watch list, and you can find your required videos from the watch list.